What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Seftimor Daily. Happy Friday. Weekend's here. Feeling good, feeling great. Hope everybody else is. Topic today. I tweeted out today's Seftimor Daily topic is going to be about networking. Again, I've written extensively on it and podcasted extensively on it. I don't think people fully understand the power of being around like-minded people. As a creator, entrepreneur, streamer, it helps to be around people with the same journey as you. This is why I wrote a whole article on the power of stream teams. You could find that at seftimorlive.com. The truth is that trying to achieve something that isn't seen as the usual is tough. You feel alone, rejected, and sometimes insane. Entrepreneurs from all around the world go to meetups and events to solidify that they aren't crazy and that there are people just like them. As a streamer, you have an advantage because everyone on the platform is after more or less the same goals as you. Utilize this. Talk with your peers on the platform, exchange ideas, help one another succeed. More on this later tonight, which is now on the Seftimor Daily. So, in this content creation world, in this content creation game, we tend to people, if you want to say normal people, I don't know if that's the right term, but to people, if you know, at least in my life, in my personal life, I go to people and I tell them what I'm doing and they look at me like a child and they look at me like, what are you wasting your time for? You could be doing this, you could be doing that. And if you say normal, or not normal, but entrepreneurs in general would have to go to like a meetup to meet people, to throw ideas off each other in a like-minded fashion, because these people think differently and these people have crazy ideas that may or may not make them money and change their life. And we go there you would go there to solidify that you're not crazy and that other people think just like you, and that this is worth it and this is the right thing to do. As streamers on Mixer or Twitch or YouTube or Facebook or Caffeine or wherever you are, you have an already established network of people that are there for the same reasons, more or less. Maybe not everyone wants to be partner, maybe not everyone wants to make a living, but everyone's there to make friends, hopefully, to play games, to have experiences live on whatever platform they choose. To not be talking and bouncing ideas and checking people out is ludicrous. I hate this shit with networking. Oh, well, maybe I gotta network more. Get out of here, man. This is what it's about. People are the ROI of life. And if you're not doing it in your real life and you're not doing it in what you're pursuing, then what are you doing? I hate that, so many podcasts and so many tips and so many things that I read about streaming in general or entrepreneurship in general has to say networking. How do you think you get out there? How do you think even people that graduate from college, a lot of people say it was never about the grades. It's about who I knew, how I got my position. But what's crazy to me is that instead of coming together on a platform, people like to go separate. And I get that way. And I understand. Sometimes it's tough because you see someone doing better or whatever the case may be. Or, you don't subscribe to what someone else is doing. But what I'm trying to say is that it's very, very easy. You have a very easy path to meet like-minded people like yourself that are on the same path as you. So go down that route. Don't think of networking as something I have to do. Make it as your being. If you have people that are local, meet up with them. Get on, if you're on Mixer like I am, get on a team. Strive to get on a team and hang out and talk to people. Some of the greatest people I met, Hidden, the founder and of the Positive Pineapples. People from the Shed are incredible. Thaddeus Prime, I love that dude. If you don't watch his stream, check out his stream, and Hidden's, of course. Derek Smiths, Fef, Mr. Vengeance. There's a plethora of people if you're on Mixer. Hackman. There's tons of people that I played with, that I've created content side by side with. And if I didn't mention you, I apologize, but Oxybot, that's another one. I feel bad if I leave anyone out. And an upcoming streamer, Socket Monk, great people, but I can't name everybody. You know who you are, and I love you all, and I apologize if I didn't mention you, but I met these people and I love hanging out with them every day. It's not, oh, I gotta go network today. It's, I want to hang out with my friends, just like you go to a bar and you sit and you hang out with your you know, your real life friends or your real life family or whatever else is. Make real connections. And want to just have that be a part of your life, not just in streaming or content creation, in life. You don't know who you're going to talk to, and that one day an opportunity might arise. I had to express this. I wanted to express this through video. I wanted to express this through audio, to drill it into your head that it's not a fucking tactic. It's a way of life. You have this the platform that you're on at your disposal. And you could go in, say you like World of Warcraft like I do. You go into World of Warcraft and voila, you got millions of people that love this game just like you, or close to what, or to you. Utilize this, guys. I love you all. I hope you have an excellent weekend. Hit me up. Let me know if you want me to do anything for next week's Seftimor Daily. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the Saturday, Sunday. Well, I mean, I guess this will be Saturday, so I'm not sure if I'm doing Sunday, but I'm loving doing this, so I hope you're enjoying it as well. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you again. If you want to follow me on anything, I stream live on mixer.com/Seftimor. I write on SeftimorLive.com. Podcast, this is an audio version on anchor.fm/Seftimor. And the video is up on YouTube as well as Facebook. You can find that under Seftimor as well. Take care, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll talk to you again soon. Peace.